Hi guys, what's up? My name is Aurav and welcome to another video for Limited Solutions. And in this video I'm going to show you all how you can add or install Prime Video application in your Windows machine. So to install it, although you can search it in your Windows Store, but so let's search with Prime Video. Even I think you can find it over here. Prime Video application. Okay, you can find it over here. Prime Video application, but if you're not able to find it in the Windows Store, so what you can do is go to Microsoft Edge. If you're not able to find it over here, only on that case, so go to Microsoft's Edge and then open the website primevideo.com, and then what you have to do is just wait to open the website. Alright, it's taking some time, I think. Okay, yeah, so it is open. Okay, it's open now. So what you have to do is just go to this option over here. You can see there's a three little icon, three little dot you can see at the right top. So click on it, and then you can see over here there's the option of application. So apps, go to apps, and now you can see over here there's the option to install this site as an application. So when you do that, you would be getting some option, see, right? So now click on install, and it'll take some time to install it, right? So just open it up, and now if you type over here Prime Video, it'll take some time. Now you can see over here the application is installed in your Windows machine. So when you click over here, the application is open now. So this is how you can install, guys, Windows any application that is available on Microsoft Store. If you're not able to find it, this is how you can install it, by going to the website and then just check under apps on Microsoft Edge. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, it's out of here. Stay happy and love to learn new life extra in technical difficulties. Bye.